Time to dry my hair. Ew, what is wrong with this hair dryer? I think it's finally dying. Fortunately, I have my brand new hair dryer here. I was fortunate to get my hands on this Andis Pro Soft Touch hair dryer. Creates smoother, silkier hair. It features the Tourmaline ceramic technology, which helps to create smoother, silkier hair and long-lasting styles. It has an ionic generator, which dries hair faster, less damage, and operates at 1875 watts with multiple speed settings. And it looks like it has some accessories. So let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing. I'm super excited. I believe this comes in various colors. Oh, we got the kind of looks like a pink or off-white color. And there are the rest of the accessories, and also with the manual. Straight out of the box, you have a user's care manual, so make sure you reference that. Thank you card, warning card, super long cable, which is much appreciated. Comes with 2 attachments for easy drying. And it looks like this is like a nozzle hair clipper combination, which inserts to the front. And I love this design. Look at this. Wow. Featuring their, this is smooth to the touch too. My wife is a big fan of pink and red, and she's gonna love this color. And this logo, if you're not familiar with it, is a Wisconsin brand made in the U.S. If you're not familiar with the Andis brand, it is a reputable company, which their engineering is based in Wisconsin. And they're known for using the latest technologies, featuring, for example, the Ionic Tourmaline ceramic combination. Very nice, smooth to the touch design, vented on the back. There are multiple settings, for example, such as off, low, and high, featuring 3 kinds of temperatures, ranging from cool, warm, and hot. And you got an instant cool button right there. Overall, very smooth and perfect design. For example, the attachments just simply snap into place like that. We're good to go. And I think my wife needs to use this right now because she just washed her hair after having dinner at a Korean hot pot barbecue place. And man, we had to take a shower and wash our hair. And by the way, your Andis hair dryer has ALCI shock protection, which has a reset and test button. So let me go ahead and test this out before my wife does. High. 30-second hot. Oh yeah, that's heating up. And cool. And hot. That's hold button. Oh yeah, everything works smoothly. Not loud, and it operates at 1875 watts. Plenty of power to dry the wettest hair, and wettest, longest hair. All right, my wife is testing out on high. So the hair dryer, as you can hear, is quiet, it's lightweight, featuring plenty of power for fast drying, and it's plenty powerful enough. So, do you like your brand new hair dryer?
Yeah, I like that.
Wife approved? Get yours today.
Thank you.
Happy wife, happy life.
Ah, hit me wide. Ping, ping, ping.